Aromatherapy is a wonderful way to heal your body and mind naturally, without any medications, chemicals, or visits to the doctor. If you are interested in learning more about aromatherapy, you first need to learn what essential oils can be used. What is aromatherapy? First of all, it helps to know a little more about what aromatherapy is. This is the practice of using essential oils for the purpose of healing your body or mind. The two main methods of aromatherapy include inhaling the oils or applying them to your skin for a topical treatment. As is always the case with pure essential oils, they need to be diluted before they make contact with your skin since they are so strong. There are many different oils you can use for varying purposes, but the ones listed are amazing to start with. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Rose. First up is rose, which is one of the first essential oils people will use, especially when they are using them for aromatherapy. This belongs to the group of floral essential oils that not only have a subtle, yet pretty smell, but have some exceptional healing benefits as well. Rose is good for many things, but especially if you have emotional or mental health issues, particularly with stress. A little rose essential oil for aromatherapy can really help to distress you, offer gentle relaxation, and help you sleep if anxiety or stress is keeping you up at night. Number 2. Lavender. If you are looking to get help for skin wounds or irritation, stress, anxiety, or insomnia, then lavender is the oil for you. This is another great starter scent for aromatherapy since it is easy to find just about anywhere and has a mild scent most people are familiar with. Lavender is so calming and relaxing, you might want to use it every day or even multiple times a day. This scent is wonderful for stress, mood issues, insomnia, and better concentration. Number 3. Grapefruit. The last scent on this list may surprise you: grapefruit essential oil. It is good to mix and match when you can, instead of just sticking to one group, like florals. Grapefruit is a citrus oil with a fresh, fruity scent. It is refreshing and invigorating, allowing for many benefits. Grapefruit is great for fatigue and giving you energy in the morning, can help relieve headaches, and helps with stress and mental fatigue as well.